Create a new project. Select App. Next. Product name. Interface storyboard. Language Swift. Next. Create. Open ViewController Swift file. This is the default first running controller. Create a Swift file and run it instead. Create a new group. Right-click. New group. Controller. Let's create a new file. Swift file. Next. Authorization controller. Auth controller. Create. Copy this code from the View controller. Paste in Auth controller. Then open scenedelegate. Let's edit the first function scene. Comment this line. Copy and paste the same. Variable name scene. Then window equals UI window. Window scene is created scene variable. Window.make key and variable. Window.rootVewController equals our new controller, auth controller. Now we can set the background color there to know whether the new controller is opening. View. Background. Equals orange. Run. Thank you for watching.